So we will be using a oldie but goodie perm rods, and as it relates to my stylers, I have my Cream of Nature curl activating cream and my Aunt Jackie's leave-in conditioner. I like these two together. This provides major slip while this provides moisture, and it makes your hair very soft and manageable. But section my hair is already kind of parted from my deep conditioning video that I just did, so if you haven't seen it yet, definitely watch. I did an in-depth deep condition and I show you guys how I deep condition my hair, my best practices. So I hope you guys watch that video, and there's a lot of gems in my deep conditioning video. And look at my hair, I've done absolutely nothing to it. It's very soft, it's very manageable. My curls are somewhat defined, so that's good. When doing your perm rods, guys, it's important that you allow the hair to lay flat on the perm rod. As you can see, what I generally try to do is to twine the hair around the rod, and you want to twine it as tightly as you can to ensure that it lay flat. That helps you to have less tangling, less frizz once it is that you are removing the rods. So you want to ensure that you detangle that section of hair, as well as twine it around and wrap it tightly on the rod. Sealing the ends is also extremely important. So once it is that you have wrapped that hair around the perm rod, ensure that the ends lay flat. So that also helps with lessening frizz. I would have used my Eco Styler gel to lay my edges down, and I would have tied that separately from the rest of my hair. Want to let you guys know that I would have gone in with my Cream of Nature Shine and Styling Mousse just to go over my curls to ensure that they were setting properly. My hands to ensure that my hair, and what you can do is just like, you know, this one is a little frizzy, so that's what that oil helps to do, to kind of tame the frizz. Just The thing with three-strand twist is that once you find where you start twisting, it's easy to unravel. Once you find that section that you would have started the twist, you simply unravel that and everything comes apart. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Be sure to like, comment, share, subscribe. As you can see here, I am just removing my twist, and I also used a white tooth comb. I don't have a pick, so I use a white tooth comb to kind of fluff my hair out. I really love how my hair turned out. This is my first time trying this style. I've done three-strand twists, I've done perm rod sets, but this is my first time doing them both together. So thank you. I really hope you enjoyed this video. Like, share, comment, subscribe, and walk good.